Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with a very quick wig install. Today's wig is from ILIKEHAIR and this is their short wavy kinky edges bob 5x5 pre-cut HD lace wig. You guys, these kinky edges match my natural edges perfectly. It's giving that realistic hairline. She's 100% glueless, 100% secure, and guess what? She comes ready to go straight out the box. Literally nothing you have to do. No cutting of the lace, no plucking, no bleaching, none of that, okay? That is why this tutorial is super quick. This is the perfect beginner wig, a perfect wear and go wig. So I'm showing you guys all of the contents that come inside of the box along with the wig in itself. ILIKEHAIR always likes to send a lot of goodies along with your unit that is very useful, especially those wig caps and the pins also. Alright, so after I took the wig out of the box, it's time to go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm doing is just adding some foundation onto that lace. Although the lace is HD, you still want to make sure that it's matching your skin tone perfectly. So make sure you are covering the entire lace with your foundation. While I am doing this, I do just want to let you know that the characteristics regarding this wig unit, you do not need any glue. It's an easy wear and go wig. As I mentioned, it does come with pre-cut lace. It's very friendly for beginners and it has that super natural hairline, which you guys will see. So right now, I am just fitting the wig to my head. I wanted to ensure that everything was nice and tight and in place because we will be installing this wig unit without any product whatsoever. We're not using any glue, we're not using any spray, as I mentioned before. So the more that I look at this wig unit, I'm like, okay, it's looking pretty natural, literally nothing you have to do. And as we get further into this tutorial, you guys, you will see that I didn't even have to restyle this unit at all. Hello, like literally a wear and go wig. Like you guys know I normally have to restyle my units. I did not have to do that with this one. So I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of that natural hairline. I will be adding just a little bit more foundation just to make sure that everything is blended nicely, but she is looking super realistic. You probably wouldn't even know that I am wearing a wig, and she also does match my natural edges. My natural edges come out pretty far, so this wig was perfect actually because the kinky edges on the unit just blended right in with my natural edges that was already sticking out. So I did go ahead and comb back some of the kinky edges on the wig, and I also pushed some of it forward. I was really just trying to finesse it, that way I can hide the lace as much as possible and nothing was showing. Now, as I mentioned previously, the wig comes styled for you, literally ready to go, so we're not changing anything regarding this unit. I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure that the very top is laying as flat as possible, being that we just took her out of the box. But I didn't even have to go like section by section like how I normally do, you guys. Like it was just like a 1, 2, 3 type of thing. And then I also added some lighter foundation in the part area because remember, your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so we really want to mimic that whenever it comes to your wig units also. But I do just want to let you know that with ILIKEHAIR, what you see is what you get. All of their products are produced according to unified standards. Whether it's to influencers or customers, they will be sent within a unified standard. So exactly what you guys are seeing on this video, that is exactly what you would get once you order the wig for yourself. So literally every customer, every influencer gets whatever they need from ILIKEHAIR. All right, you guys, we are officially done with this hair tutorial. Quick and easy and simple. As I mentioned previously, this was a straight out the box wig install because this unit is literally meant for that. They send you the unit ready to go, styled and everything. So I did not have to restyle it. I didn't have to do no bleaching because of that HD lace. She blended in perfectly and those kinky edges look extremely natural. We love a good natural hairline. It just makes your life so much more easier. Also, I really did enjoy the style of this bob wig. For 10 inches, I feel like she is super flowy. She still looks super full. There's a lot of movement back there and she is just pretty overall. And I think the style of it, the inch of it, everything worked together perfectly. The kinky edges also was not too much. It definitely mimicked my natural hairline the best, I will say. So I did enjoy that also. This is the perfect everyday beginner wig for all of my beginners out there. But even if you're not a beginner, I feel like this is a nice wig to have in your collection because you can just literally throw her on and take her off whenever you choose, and it's not a hassle. You know what I'm saying? It's not a hassle to get the hairline to look natural, to lay the lace down. We love a nice glueless wig unit. So yeah, this wig was everything. I definitely enjoyed it, especially as far as the quickness it was to get a nice style, a nice wig install. I love super quick glueless wig installs. You guys know that. I don't care how many wigs I have installed in my life, I will always always prefer a nice glueless wig install. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out my description box down below. That'll be all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.